All right, thank you for joining on another tutorial here. Today, we are going to go through how to change your site title, tagline, and site image from a default WordPress website. So this is exactly what you're going to be prompted with when you have a brand new WordPress website. So when you get started through Clover Cloud Premium, this is what you're going to see. So in order to get started, we're going to head on over to Settings and go to General. Now this is just what came in on our site. This was default settings. So site title, and this is what we want our main kind of overall global site to be called. Cool. And then next to that, we want to have a slight descriptor. And now WordPress likes to say here, in a few words, explain what this site is about. So perfect. That's what we're going to put for now. Save changes. All right, now we're going to head down into our Divi options. So that's specific for our theme, and hit theme options. So now we've changed our tagline and our site name. And this is when we want to get our logo going. So we're going to hit upload. Now we already uploaded something into our media library, but this is where you will get to upload your very own image. Drag it in there and then hit save changes and the magic will happen. All right, what do you know? That logo has now been input into the top corner there, and that will appear on all of your pages unless you do some customization. All right, thank you so much for watching. We're going to be making many more tutorials. We hope you liked them. Leave us a comment. Let us know if you liked it. Like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of our tutorials and all things Clover Cloud. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.